Before you chase her, pause not for her, for you, because the greatest mistake men make is sprinting after a woman. Before they even know where they're running, you want her, you think you need her. That desire you feel isn't love. It's attachment, and attachment is the enemy of peace. So before you move, sit. Before you speak, listen. Before you chase her, watch this, like, subscribe, and share this with a man who's losing himself chasing something that was never his. Let me ask you a question. Would Marcus Aurelius chase? Would Epictetus plead? Would Seneca lower his worth to prove it? No, because the Stoics knew need is weakness, and when you chase her, you don't look strong, you look lost. So let's break this down like a philosopher, not an emotional wreck. Let's deconstruct the chase from the eyes of the Stoic. From the mind of the warrior, from the calm of the mountain, the nature of desire. Desire is a flame. And most men are moths, drawn in, burned out. The Buddhists call it tanha, the craving. The Stoics call it apathy, freedom from passion. Either way, the message is clear. What controls you owns you, and if she controls your emotions, she owns your peace. Don't be fooled by Instagram reels that tell you to chase the girl, that if you pursue hard enough, she'll finally see your value. Truth is, value doesn't chase, it draws. So ask yourself, are you moving like a man of value or a man seeking validation? Hit that like button if you're starting to understand, and comment below if you've ever chased someone who never looked back. The trap of ego. The Stoics taught that the ego is deceptive. It makes you believe that you deserve her. That if you say the right words, do the right things, she'll surrender, but you don't control outcomes. Only effort. Marcus Aurelius said, you have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. When you chase her, you're abandoning that strength. You're placing your emotions in her hands, hands that might not want to hold them. This isn't love. It's a transaction of attention. You give yours away, and pray she gives hers back. But why are you praying for something that a real man magnetizes, not begs for, not pleads for? Subscribe if this is challenging your mindset. Because this isn't just a video, it's a reset, the game of energy. Chasing reverses the polarity. Masculine energy draws. Feminine energy tests. When you chase, you fail the test. She doesn't want a runner. She wants a rock, a man grounded in who he is, not someone running toward who she is. Have you noticed? When you stop caring, they get curious. When you detach, they lean in, because stillness is magnetic. Silence is attractive. Presence is rare. The Stoics weren't monks in caves. They were warriors in chaos. But they moved from center, from control. Your goal isn't to win her. It's to master you. Comment control if you're claiming that energy. And don't forget to like. It's fuel for more content like this. Why she's not your mission, let me remind you of something crucial. A woman is not your purpose. She can be your partner. She can be your peace. But she can never be your mission. If you make her the prize, you become the player, and players lose control. Build your empire. Focus on your finances, your body, your craft. And let love meet you on the way, not become the path. Seneca once said, it is not that we have a short time to live, but that we waste a lot of it. Are you wasting yours chasing someone who's not even looking back? Bro, build a life so bold, she has no choice but to respect it. Even if she never joins it. Tap that subscribe button if you're done wasting time on weak moves. The art of detachment isn't cold. It's clarity. It's not that you don't feel. It's that you don't fold. Imagine you're holding sand. Grip it too tight, it slips. Hold it too loose, it scatters. But hold it calmly, it stays. That's how relationships should feel. And that's what Stoicism teaches, balance. If she's yours, you won't have to chase. If she's not, no amount of chasing will matter. Walk with grace. Stand with strength. Let go with dignity. Comment below, I am the calm, because that's who you are. Not the storm, not the chase, the calm. So now you know, before you chase her, sit, breathe, think. Because this world doesn't reward the man who begs. It rewards the man who builds, the man who is so deeply rooted in purpose that love becomes a bonus, not a need. You're not here to impress. You're here to express, not to chase, but to attract. like if this helped you remember who the hell you are. Subscribe if you're ready to walk with stillness and power, and drop a comment if you've ever chased and learned the hard way. This is the Calm Code, where silence is strength and detachment is power. Until next time, be stoic. Be solid, be still.